Hello, and welcome to a special installment of Applied Marketing Science Insight for Innovation Coffee Break webinar series. Today's presentation is entitled Make a Statement, Developing Effective Claims That Stand Out. I'm your host, Jackie Chorn, and I'm a manager here at AMS. Today's presenter is Carmel Dibner, an associate principal with our firm. As part of the Insights for Innovation practice at AMS, Carmel helps clients design innovative products and services and improve marketing based on a deep understanding of consumers' wants and needs. And an important part of product marketing is the development of effective product claims that tout benefits and resonate with consumers. So welcome, Carmel.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for the intro, Jackie.
So we call our series Coffee Breaks because the purpose of each webinar is to provide a short presentation highlighting a key topic related to innovation and insights. These presentations are not comprehensive, but instead touch upon points we believe are important to successful innovation. This presentation is part two of a two-part series on claims research. The first part, entitled Make a Statement, Why Claims Substantiation Matters, aired on November 7th. If you missed part one and are interested in claims substantiation, you can view the webinar via a link that will be sent to you after this webinar. I should also mention that all microphones are on mute to minimize noise so everyone can hear. But we will take questions at the end, and I'd encourage you to submit questions by typing them in the chat window on the right side of your screen. So with that, I'll turn it over to Carmel.
Thanks, Jackie, and welcome, everyone. Advertising and packaging claims can drive sales, but they must be carefully developed to maximize impact and rigorously substantiated to survive challenges from competitors. At AMS, we see the development and rollout of a claim as having three components that work together to help you develop effective claims in advertising. First is the process of claim development. Second is the process of claim substantiation. And third is testing consumer perception to ensure the claim does not communicate messages for which you do not have substantiation. As Jackie mentioned, part one of this two-part webinar series covered claim substantiation and introduced consumer perception research. Last week, Jackie covered the steps involved in rolling out a new claim, what is required to substantiate a claim, and the value of consumer perception research, including when and why it might be appropriate to conduct. Today we'll talk about claims development, and in particular, we'll focus on how to develop possible claims that will resonate with your target customers. We will cover tips for how to make claims an integral part of your new product development process, market research techniques that can be used to develop effective claims and when each should be used, and how to ensure that product claims are based on meaningful consumer insights. Any product or advertising claim developed should be differentiated and relatable to consumers. Differentiated claims are those that help your product stand out from other products in the market. They often speak to key benefits or features that are unique to your product. The best claims succeed in helping convince consumers that your offering is the one to purchase, and at the same time, help you build brand equity. Effective claims are not only differentiated, they must also be insight-centric. That is, the claim should be related to the key benefits that are important to consumers, benefits that can be traced back to an important customer want or need. Claims development often works best when it's part of the new product development process and not an afterthought. Companies that have an established new product development process that doesn't incorporate claims development may want to consider how claims development can become an established part of the process. To incorporate claims into your product development process, you want to make sure that you have a step in the process where you can, number one, determine the topic of your claim, number two, brainstorm possible claims, and three, test possible claim language with customers. And of course, you'll want to build claim substantiation into your product development process as well.